right, let's go ahead and try to do this annotating and drawing. We're going to download from Canvas. I've already unzipped it for you because this would be zipped. And now we're going to go into Fusion. We're going to go to Upload, select File, and then you're going to find it in your downloads. Click on that and hit Open. I'm going to save it in my thing here. And then it's going to bring it in, and it's going to say this upload started. This may take a minute. People started to freak out. It really doesn't take that long. I don't know if because I'm sharing my screen, if it'll be weird. Let's see. I'll have to like just fast forward over this part, guys. Once you see it say like upload complete, I don't want to use the one I've already downloaded because I've already made the changes. Well, this is interesting. Oh, this is taking a lot longer than. Let me see if I can get to the. Here, I'm gonna hit pause. All right, I got it. We got it to work. So the X on the, it'll take a while, and then it came to Open Design. We're gonna click Open Design. If for some reason it does all this, but this disappears, you could find it over wherever you uploaded it. So like I uploaded mine as my admin projects, wherever you've uploaded it. This is the existing one. The first thing I would tell you normally is that I want to see your personal template, but we don't really know how to switch it right now, so we're going to keep that the way it is and just go through the directions and do what they tell us. So it says add the dimensions shown into the top view, and the hint says this can be done with a single command. So we're going to go through and we're going to do dimensions. So right here, from here to here. What were the other ones? The width and the width. So from here to here, from this center point to this center point, this curve, the arc is right here. It's not, why is it being weird? There we go. And then it's doing that weird thing again. Okay, so the only thing I'm missing is this diameter of 0.2. Oops, wrong one, sorry. 0.2, will it let me do that? Yep. And that's it, we're good. If for some reason it's being weird, you can always go down here and do the diameter dimension. So if you do find that one, I did find one time it didn't work and one time it did. It's supposed to work, but you know how it is. Okay, so I want to get rid of that screen. Sorry. Didn't need to be showing everybody everything here. Now it wants us to enable some different things. So it says add a center mark to the large opening on the front view and enable the center mark command. Make sure you select the closed circular edge. So when we do the center mark, we're going to go here, center mark, click on here. And then one of the things that it did was, I'm going to hit escape so I'm not on the up here anymore, is if you click on this, you can kind of stretch it because theirs were stretched. And I'm doing that also. You'll notice that if you're looking for it to look like their picture, see how that has those dashes? That's what they did. They stretched it out past the circle. So that's that. Then it says add a feature control frame to the front view. That's this thing down here. So we're going to go to feature control frame. Let's see if I can find it.
How many times do you do
You should just click in the center to the center mark, and then it should appear. And then I just clicked on it, double clicked on it so I could extend the things. So center mark's up here in geometry, up at the top, geometry. It's right there. Okay, so now I'm picking feature control, and it says, okay, it says right here, place on the 2.25 dimension. So when you click here, you're gonna go, it's gonna say to do it like that. Why is it being weird? I don't know. It's being weird. Okay, so we're gonna add the different things. The first thing is that it wants us to do perpendicular. Then it says it wants us to do 0.01 here, and it says 0.1 here. So either one would work for me. Obviously, they had a little technical difficulties. So we're going to say 0.01. Oof. The other thing it had was it had a diameter. So we're going to add that diameter in there. Oops. I wanted that to be in front. So I just selected in front and it put it in front. So see how it's the diameter, 0.01, and now we're going to pick A. Oh my gosh. First datum is going to be A. Where's my A? Oh, I'm going to type in A. I don't have to do anything else. I'm going to hit OK. So the one thing I don't like is it like put it underneath and they had it over here. I'm wondering if I can move it. It doesn't look like it. It's being weird. It's connected to the 2.25, but it's not allowing it to. All right, I'm going to leave it where it is. I'm not sure why it did that because it was fine last time, but this time it's definitely not. It's, it's over here. All right, now we're going to do adding a datum identifier. So this is going to be B, and we're just going to do that. So datum has to do with levels, so they want us to add this. I feel like they're just doing this more so that we have it. And as you click on it, then you can kind of move it around to get to where you need it. It naturally does a B, and we're good to go. Okay. The next thing it tells us to do is to add the parts list. So let's do that. So I'm going to go here to table. I'm going to add it at the top, and it's got everything in there. I'm going to zoom out a little bit just so I can move it to that corner. The next thing it's going to tell us is to put in balloons and to align them. So this is the weirdest part, I think, of this assignment. So we're going to go into make the two balloons. So balloon 1 is going to be the orange piece. And I'm going to do them kind of weird. And balloon 2 is over here, I guess. Is this other insert? So the reason I did it like that is because I want to show you what it's like to align them. So if we go to align balloons, I'm going to click on this balloon. I'm going to click on this balloon. I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. And then this green thing shows up, and I'm going to say like, I guess I want to start the line here and go straight down. So what it does is it's a straight line. It aligns them, if you had like 5 of them, they would all be bam, bam, bam. It would look really cool, but they just have the 2 for this. Okay, now it says let's add this. So it says notes, number 1, all measurements in inches. Okay, so we're going to add that note. So your note is this text. We're going to say note. One, all measurements in inches. The reason we're doing caps on everything is actually intentional. Most drawings are going to be in caps because it means that there's no, it's more easy, it's logical, and it makes more sense. So just make sure that you're keeping all caps on that. Actually, my note should also be. All right, let's see what else we have to do. It says now finally make 2 changes to the design file and update the drawing. Switch to the source design. Use the push-pull command to extend the back 0.2 inches. So this is cool. If I double click, oh no, sorry, don't double click. Right click, go to open. This whole file will open for us. Now it says on the back, we're going to use the push-pull command or press-pull. It's interesting, it's press-pull, but it does say push-pull. 0.20 inches, hit OK. And then we're going to edit this, this internal part. It says it wants us to change the distance on extrude 4 to 0.65. So we're going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how they did it. That's how we're going to do it. You're going to see that it's 0.75. We're going to change it to 0.65 and hit OK. Then I'm going to hit save because what it says is, I'll show you, it's kind of crazy. It just says update the drawing to reflect the changes made on the model. Well, the way you update it is you save. And then once you're saving, the connection to this drawing changes. And it says, hey, man, there's something different. And you hit this little guy at the top. And it changes everything to be the new dimensions. And then it says that's it. If everything updates correctly, you are done. So you can hit save. Make sure you save it. Then go ahead to drop down, share link file, turn it on, and send it to me. Okay? And you're good to go. Done. Good luck, guys.